Hey there, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This short video is for the team over at Home Express HVAC. In this short video, I'll be going over 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see in here, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's fine by me too. So I'll get right into it and keep this video short and sweet. The 3 things I'm going to be talking about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. First of all, content. As you can see, I'm on your guys' homepage right now. And by content, I mean anything that's on here from the pictures, words, any videos if you might have, all that stuff. So how I work with customers, I want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this first homepage. Now that's going to help you get picked up by Google searches and also help you outrank your competition. So once again, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this homepage right here. Second of all, I'm going to be talking about citations. I did a quick little search for New York City just to show you exactly what customers see when they search a business. So the first thing you'll see on this top is these 3 boxes. This is called the Google Guarantee section. Over here, these are paid ads through Google in which you have to go through a verification process. Once you do that, you're allowed to place advertisements here. It's a really good place to be because that's the first thing customers see, and they provide really strong leads. After that, we move on to this second section, which is the traditional Google ad section. This right now is a hit or miss depending on who you use for your advertising. It could be a big money pit if the people don't know what they're doing, and it can actually get you some money if it's placed correctly with the good offer, the correct words, and the placement and the links, all that stuff. So something to look out for. Thirdly, we go down to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack, and here I'll explain to you what a citation is. So citation is anywhere on the web which allows you to put in your business information, such as your business name, phone number, and address. And most of these citations end up being on national directories. An online directory is going to be like a Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, LinkedIn, those sorts of websites. And this map pack section is always my recommendation, and we actually help businesses get to these top 3 spots. This is where you want to be at. After that, we go down to this next section, which is called the organic section. Here are the websites which have organically outranked the competition and made it to the first page of the Google searches. This really legitimizes a company and helps them gain a lot of customers and a lot of leads. The third and last thing I'm going to be talking about will be backlinks. A backlink is any website out there which provides a link to your website, potentially driving traffic and also giving you good keywords. So I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. As you can see, I've put in your company right here. It's a really good tool. It's a paid service I use, but it provides me with very valuable information on how to assess the performance of a website. So as you can see, you guys have 27 referring domains giving you 159 backlinks, which give you 6 keywords. And so far, it's showing that you're getting 0 organic traffic per month. Now, I don't really see this number, but the Ahrefs is always not 100% accurate, but they do buy the information directly from Google, so it's pretty up there. So to compare this, I'm going to show you a top competitor of New York City and what their numbers look like. This is it right here. As you can see, it's a really big difference in the numbers. I'll just run them really quickly. They got 716 referring domains, giving them 3,100 backlinks, giving them 27,000 keywords, which in return get them more than 26,000 customers or people visiting their website per month, organic traffic per month. So this is the kind of numbers you want to be hitting. Let me go back to yours right here. Now, this is definitely something which is very doable, and you can definitely boost these numbers like significantly, and this is something we specialize in. So going back to your website, I told you I'll keep it short and sweet. That's basically all I had for you today. I really hope you found this video to be educational, and if you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, that's fine by me. I hope you enjoy these free tips I've given you today. And if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, I'd really like that. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.